Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating access and telemetry so you can reach the console immediately. Make sure your account has contributor or VM contributor role and the VM has boot diagnostics and serial console enabled. Once done, open the Azure portal, navigate to Virtual Machines, select the target VM, and click Connect, then Serial Console. This opens a web-based interactive terminal tied to the VM's serial output, useful when network access fails. Proceed now to attach keys or credentials for interactive control. Once the serial console session appears, authenticate according to the VM's OS and configured methods. For Linux, you can request a root shell or use your sudo-enabled account. Provide the SSH key or password the VM expects. For Windows, switch to Emergency Management Services or inspect boot diagnostics for crash details, then use available serial access to send keystrokes. If the VM is unresponsive, you can trigger a rescue kernel or use magic sysrq commands on supported images. Make sure to finish, perform the fix interactively, then save serial output and system logs for postmortem. If you change passwords, update credentials in your secret store. If you cannot access the serial console, verify boot diagnostics is enabled, confirm your identity and role permissions, and ensure no policy or NSG is blocking portal features. As a key troubleshooting tip, when the console hangs, reboot into a rescue mode, run fsck or rebuild the bootloader, and retry. This resolves most boot time failures without redeploying the VM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.